Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode in OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. Okay, to use it first you have to enable it. Okay, to enable it first go to settings. Okay, now in settings here you can see on top one-handed mode is available, and if we scroll down and go to additional settings, here you can see one-handed mode is available. Tap on one-handed mode and you can see swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. Just tap over there to enable it. So now if we swipe down, okay, swipe down to the bottom edge center of the screen, it will go in one-handed mode like this. You can see, and you can see open an application. Okay, now swipe down to the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode like this. You can see now OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G is in one-handed mode. You can see, simply swipe down to the bottom of the screen and tap outside or swipe up to again go in full screen mode. You can see, here you can see now it is in one-handed mode. Tap outside or swipe up to again go in full screen mode. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.